Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so I'm here looking at this beautiful pool. The pool is just gorgeous. This is what it looks like. Man, it's a really, really big area. This is just an extreme amount of tables and chairs. You've got a huge area over here for grilling. You got 2 grilling stations. It's covered. And I mean, just look at all the chairs over here. This is beautiful. It's just meant for a really big party. And of course, you got cornhole. You've got cornhole. You don't have a good apartment unless you have cornhole. You know that, right? You must have cornhole. But then finally, you got the pool. The pool is just beautiful. It's a very pretty pool. You see all the chairs here. Really pretty pool. I like it because it's reasonably long, so you actually can get some swimming in there. You've got some good little coves in there. And then over here, you've got just another fabulous area. Just kind of, this is a 3-inch area. You can sit in the water and just kind of enjoy it. And then you've got some more seats in the water, and then just more chairs, more cabanas. This is a really, really big pool area. So love the pool, love the whole area over here, and it's really just bright and fun, and I love all the lights that are out here too. It's a great pool, fun feeling pool area here at the Alta Magnolia. Now, hey, let's go see some apartments.